Hello everyone, this is me Pratik Goyal. Today we will be solving a GFG problem of the day called as aggressive cows. This is one of the standard problem. So let's see how it goes. Okay. So in that what we have given is we have given an array with unique element of stalls which denotes the position of a stall. Okay. You also given an integer k which denotes the number of aggressive cows. Okay. And your task is to assign installs to key cows such that the minimum distance between any two of them is maximum possible. Okay, let's take this example. Okay, so we have given 3 k equals to 3. That means we have to add 3 cows. Okay, and we have given these things, so in any of them we can add cows. Okay, let's suppose we are adding cows to 1, then 4, and then 8. And if we try to find out the difference, then 1 minus 4 and 1 is having a difference of 3. 1 and 8 is having a difference of 7, and 4 and 8 is having a difference of 4, and minimum of 3, 7 and 4 is 3, and that's our answer. So what we have to do is we have to take k cows. Okay, and we have to add that these k cows should be in the stalls, and then we have to get the minimum difference. Okay, and in the question what it says is that the minimum distance between any two of them is the maximum possible. Okay, so this is the k, the minimum one, which is 3. But what we have to do is we have to try to maximize it. So what does it mean is let's suppose there might be many possible permutations for that. Let's suppose we are taking 1, 2 and 4. Okay, and for that as well we are taking 3 cows. Okay, and now if we try to get a difference, so it will be having a 2 minus 1, which is 1, 2 minus 4 is 2, and 1 minus 4 is 3. And if we take the minimum of that, which will be 1, so what we have to do is we have to get the minimum distance, but we have to try to maximize it. Okay, so this is one of the hints. Whenever we got a question on that, they said that we have to get a minimum of maximum or maximum of minimum, then that particular question is mostly related to binary search on answer. Okay, so for that particular problem also we will be trying to use binary search on answer, and for binary search on answer we will be having a template. Okay, so let me just write a template. I will explain it to you as well. So in the template we will be having a low and we will be having a high. After that we just have to do while low plus 1 is lesser than high, mid low plus if okay, and here it depends on question. If we have to get the maximum, then we have to write low equals to mid. If we have to find out the minimum, then we have to do high equals to mid. So low will be having the highest one, so we have to return low. Okay, and then we will be having a function pass. Now we have to change it according to our code. So low could be 0, and the maximum difference could be the maximum of stalls. Okay, now the thing is let's suppose our mid is 3. Okay, now how we will verify that that particular 3 is is containing all the 3 cows. So for that what we can do is we can sort our stalls, and sorting will be helping us to get a difference. So whenever the difference is greater than the m, okay, that means if the difference is greater than m, then what we can do is we can add one more cow there because it is satisfying the condition. Okay, so let's take there. Okay, so let's the first cow will be at 1 only. Okay, because this is the minimum one. Okay, so after that we will be starting with the 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 will be having a difference of 1. After that it will be 4 minus 2, which will be making the difference as 3, and that will be satisfying the condition. So in 4 we can take one more cow. Okay, so now the difference becomes 0 and we will be counting plus equals to 1. Okay, after that it will be going for the 8, and 8 minus 4 will be having a 4. So 4 is greater than 3, so we can add one more cow there. Okay, so let's just write it out. So count is 1, we will be having a previous, which will be stalls of 0, then difference will be 0, I in stalls 1 of the difference plus equals to I minus previous. If difference is greater than or equals to the m, then we will be having a count plus equals to 1, and the difference will be becoming a 0, and previous will be pointing to I. Now what we have to do is we have to check the count. The count should be greater than or equals to k. So now let's try to run it. Okay, let's try to submit it. Okay, we have done some mistake, I think. Oh, I think we forgot to sort. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, so if you have any question in that particular question, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to resolve that. Thank you for that.